Hello everyone. So today we will learn about how to draft a floor plan in AutoCAD. Okay. So I'll just share my screen with you. So this is the AutoCAD software in which we will work for drafting the floor plan. So we will start with some commands. For example, the first one for making a line is L, enter. So it will make a line like this, and you can give some distance or measurement to the line so that it can make specifically of that measurement. For example, you can say you have to make a line for 12 feet, so you just have to enter the line command, that is L, enter, like this, and then just add 12 feet in the command line, so it will make a line of exact 12 feet. Okay, you can see. Then if the room dimension is like 12 feet by 15 feet, then you have to draw another line from a corner point like this. Just enter the 15 feet measurement and we'll make a line of 15 feet like this. Okay, then again make a line of 12 feet, or you can just simply offset it like this. Means offset is another command like O enter. If you O enter and give the distance to be 12 feet, and it will offset this line to 12 feet like this. But for making the room is 12 feet by 15 feet, so you have to give the command O enter and 15 feet, so it will directly offset that line to 15 feet. You can again offset this line to 12 feet. This will make your room. Making the room, you have to make a wall of 9 inches. So just simply offset these lines to 9 inches so that it gives layout of a room. To make a door, for example, 3 feet 6 inches, just cut it down from here like this. This is the trim command. Trim is cutting lines from between, like this is 3.5 inches, 3 feet 6 inches wide line. You have to make a door over here. So just apply the trim command, that is ER enter. It will ask you to select the lines between you want to trim and select these two lines. Press enter again. Then it will trim these two lines like this. Do it again. You can just trim it like this. This makes you almost a profile of a bedroom. You just have to add a window to it. So for the window, for example, you have to make a window of 5 feet wide. Just take a corner, middle point of this line like this, and offset it for 2 feet 6 inches on both the sides like this. So you can get a window in between of your room like this. Okay, you can also make the layout plan a little presentable by using hatches. You can apply a hatch by H enter. This is the shortcut command. You can simply apply a hatch like this and like this. You can change the type of hatch by clicking over the hatch, and you can edit it by HE enter, that is hatch edit command. You can have this type of hatch. You can scale down it to have a better view. Like this. So it will give a look of a wall. Okay, so this is how you can make a draft your floor plan using a line command, trim command, and offset command. Okay, there are many more commands you can use to draft a floor plan, and we discuss later. Thank you.